If you don't know how to do that, don't worry. This video will show you the step-by-step guide to upload videos from iPhone to Facebook, so you can complete the uploading process by following the detailed steps within several minutes. Just watch on and make an attempt. Upload iPhone videos to Facebook via Photos app. Open Photos on iPhone, go to Camera Roll, select Videos. Tap blue arrow, click Next, choose Facebook. Sign in. 3. Post your video on Facebook. Now you need to complete the detailed information of your video, including description, quality, category, and right audience. After confirming the description and settings of your video, hit Post button at the top to finish the uploading process. Using Facebook application to share your iPhone videos. 1. Open Facebook application. Click on the icon of Facebook on your device to launch it and tap on Photo right next to the status. Choose desired video. In Camera Roll, pick the video and tap Done. Upload to Facebook. Add video details. Choose quality and audience. Tap Post to upload.